This is Matt. Got the Geo. You're gonna have to forgive this. I've got 66 reballs, and this freaking rotor sure doesn't like to feed them. But you can see. Turn it on. Sorry for the fuzzy. It's up close, but anyways, I'll turn the air on. The air's not on. Doing this one-handed, so anyways, I can show you chrono here. I think I should be able to do this. Hold it with this hand and turn the chrono on. Here, hold that right there. You can try not to move it, but see if this chronos. You can read it. 276. All right, you can get the idea, right, man? All right, I'll just freaking rotor. All right, let me see this back does. Not all. You can see the eyes obviously work. I'll turn them off for you. Now, I'll dry fire if you want. You can see the back cap. Yeah, I mean, there's really no flaws on the gun. I've looked at it really close. I mean, it's hard to tell with this handle. Shooting, I mean, like I said, I turned it down a little bit. 280, we usually shoot 10, 290 or whatever in our tournaments, but